Brianna, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a Loki inspired eye look. So as you guys know, I did a Spider-Man inspired eye look already for the movie The Avengers Endgame, and that was last week. So if you guys haven't seen that video already, I will link it right here for you guys. But I really wanted to incorporate one of my other favorite characters, which is Loki, and he is Thor's brother and he is my dog's name. I love Loki so much simply because he is just a mischievous little asshole, and he's green. His colors are black and green, and those are my favorite colors. I absolutely love using greens. So I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. So if you guys are unfamiliar with what the palette looks like, it looks like this. So I'm going to be focusing on these greens and then obviously that giant black that's in there, and I am really excited to see how this turns out. So I think I'm going to be doing a halo look. So I'm going to be putting black on the outer and inner corner and the pop of highlight, the spotlight color green right in the middle. So I'm going to start off by using some concealer all over my eyelids. So I'm going to be using the ColourPop Fair 06 all over my eyelids. So I think I'm going to start off this eye look by using a blender brush, and I am going to go into the color T, and I'm just going to put T all into my crease. Now I am going to go in with a tapered brush like so. So this is the Luxie 131 mini angled, and I'm going to go directly into the color Spooky, which is the black that's in the palette. And I am going to put it on the inner corner and the outer corner. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. And then I'm going to go back in with the color T, and I'm just going to blend those colors together. Now on a concealer brush like so, this is the Alamar Cosmetics brush. I'm going to go in with the concealer Fair 06, and I'm just going to cut out the center of my eye for the halo. While that is drying down, I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of Spooky, and I'm just going to intensify the black. Now I'm going to go in with the packer side of my Luxie brush, and I'm going to go into the color Social Blade first, which is like a bright lime green color, and I'm just going to put that right on top of that concealer. And now right over top of that color, I'm going to go in with the color Daddy, which is like a crocodile green color, and I'm just going to put that right over top and blend it into the black. Now I'm going to go into a smaller brush, so this is the Luxie Mini Flat Angled brush, and I'm going to go back into that Daddy color, and I'm just going to blend it into the black. And then of course I'm going to go back into the Spooky color, and I'm just going to intensify the black and blend the green into it. Now I'm going to go back into that tea color and just blend everything together a little bit. And now I want to go into the color Guac in the palette, and I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm going to coat my brush in it. And then I'm going to put that color directly on top of that green. And now I'm going to go in and do the exact same thing on the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have the other eye on, I'm just going to go ahead and do my full face of makeup quickly, because you guys have already seen me do my foundation and my routine like a million times. So I'm just going to go quickly do that really quickly off camera, and then I will be right back to finish this eye look with you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick Crocodile Tears for some eyeliner today. So I am just going to do a normal wing that I always do, and see if it works with this green. Okay, it's just too close to the shade that I already used for the green, so I'm gonna have to go in and do it with black. It's just not showing up as a green. So I'm gonna do just a normal winged eyeliner using the Pretty Vulgar Gel. I'm just gonna go in and do the exact same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on and some eyeliner done, I'm just going to quickly finish up this eye look. So I am gonna go into the color Social Blade just on a small fluffy brush like this. This is the mini tapered Luxie 121, and I'm going to swipe Social Blade all right underneath my eye, my waterline. And then right on the center, I am going to go in with my tapered brush, and I'm going to go in to that dandy color, and I'm just going to lay that down right in the middle, and then take my blender brush and just blend it out. And now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Falsies mascara, just because I haven't used this one in a while, and it is literally my holy grail for mascara from the drugstore because it is so inexpensive and it makes my lashes so long. And the last thing that I need to do to complete this eye look is add some black liner in. So I'm just going to quickly go grab my liner. So this is the Scandal Eyes black liner. And I'm just going to waterline my waterline. And that is the finished eye look. So now the last thing that I want to do is I obviously want to do a green lip paired with this. So this is Crocodile Tears by Jeffree Star. And this is the finished look all complete. So now I'm just going to quickly go grab a wig and I will be right back. So now that I have my wig on, this is the finished look all complete. I think it looks really cool, especially with this green wig. I really got my Loki vibes in, and I think this eye look turned out really cool. It's not my most favorite eye look in the entire world. I probably could have done a little bit better. I could have done something a little bit different, but I still think it is really cool and it did turn out really awesome. So I am happy that I did get my Loki vibes in for the day. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!